Hey guys, I'm Craig, the Director of Operations at Azzip Pizza, and I wanted to take a second to talk about our new Metro heated shelves with the enclosure kits on it. So we got these because we saw an increase in our carryout business like a lot of restaurants have during the pandemic. And they've really been a great solution for us for a couple of reasons. First, our product is just a lot better in them. We've seen our pizzas hold about 7 degrees hotter on this over a 15-minute period than they did on just the heated shelf without the enclosure kit. And second, it hasn't forced us to make any sort of changes in our operational flow. Our footprint is still the same in the kitchen. So that's been really nice for our teams who don't have to get used to another change. So we really liked our Metro enclosure kit, and I think if you get one, you'll enjoy it too.